It's a kitty cat. Look at this kitty cat.
Oh, she's so cute.
Look at this kitty cat.
Let me have my chance with her. Because my hands are covered in butter.
Be quiet. Well, she got off of our sisters. Hello.
It's a kitty cat. Look at this kitty cat.
An 11-year-old still sleeping with stuffed animals. Imagine.
You still sleep with stuffed animals.
Girl, I'm 8 years old. I don't even touch them.
Wait a minute, Zach. You have problems with me sleeping with stuffed animals, but there's like 28-year-olds having a bunch of squishmallows. And there's nothing wrong with that.
I know. Forget it. It doesn't matter. Everybody can have stuffed animals. Look at the baby.